Yan. Yun na.
Kumaway.
Kita ba ako?
Hi.
Hello, Aisa! Hello!
Okay, mag-isa na tayo. Hi. O, yan yung sunod sa'yo. Hi. How are you? Text. Text. Happy day.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy graduation day. Mabuhay. Ano pa sasabihin ko? Kamusta? Ayun yun. Kamusta? Megadugtong. Ni? Package list.
Loko, recorded na to.
Laptop.
Can you give us package cheese?
Nangungopia ako.
Ay.
Hi. Surprise. Wala na may sulat. Nagulat ka ba? Yan kasi surprise. Nagulat ka ba?
Ang laki ng R. Surprise. Surprise.
Surprise ba yun?
Yes.
Hmm? Sige. Nagulat. Alam na ba yung nagulat?
Marunong,
Na-shock.
marunong na
Are you
magtagalog
shocked?
yun.
Are you
Nagulat. Ayan mo na para ano niya.
shocked? Surprise.
Nagulat ka ba?
Surprise. Sa'yo black eh, sa akin blue.
Shock?
Surprise.
Shocking!
Revelation. Surprise.
Tapos dito,
We
Mwah. Uwi ka na. Uwi na you, okay?
We na you. Alam niya ba yung we na you?
Oo.
Yes.
You did it. Open na yan. That's it. Party! Party! Party people!
Hi, this is Madonna, Maripin, Reggie, and you're watching MTV Cribs.
Hi! Hi!
Tulong kayo kayo.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi mo nasasabi.
Ito na sa akin.
Ako na.
MTV
Meron pa
Cribs.
additional.
Ano yan?
Surprise.
Nay, para mahilo.
Mahilo yun! Kay Peng.
Teka, wait. Meron pa
Kita
akong
sa kanya?
Meron pa akong next page.
Kita sa kanya.
Oh.
May next page pa?
Oo. You're invited.
How are you, Chris? Kamusta ka na? Party people. May ganon sa gilid. Happy graduation day. Mabuhay. Ito. Nagulat ka ba? Are you shocked? We
Paano yung
missed
shock? Paano yung shock?
you.
Paano yung shock? Dapat mo
We missed you. Saka umuwi ka na. Let's celebrate and party people. Wow. Oh, go na, ikaw na.
Teka lang, wait lang. Nagagawa pa ako. You are invited.
Saan?
To my
Palawan?
coming ba? To my
Incoming.
incoming. Sorry.
Upcoming.
Incoming
Coming.
birthday
Wedding?
celebration. Yeah. At Coron.
Coron.
Puerto
Palawan.
Galera.
Gusto na nga, Puerto or Pagudpod? Palawan na lang.
Where do you want? In Pagudpod or in Palawan?
Palawan!
Palawan daw.
Palawan, Coron.
I will No, we will wait for you. Knock knock. Yan.
Ayan, okay. Ikaw na.
So ako na. This coming July, I will celebrate my birthday and you are invited. So, we will wait for you here sa
Knock,
bahay.
notch.
Knock,
Knock, notch.
sorry, knock, notch. Knock, knock on my door.
Knock,
Knock,
knock.
knock. Kamusta naman? Wrong spelling?
Wrong spelling, wrong.
Sorry.
Is it
We
your
miss
birthday? Oy, belated. Belated.
Belated happy birthday.
Belated.
Last me.
Oh, yung wishlist na natin. Yung
Okay,
wishlist.
Ito si Reggie muna.
Okay.
Ako pa.
Ha?
Baka mapindot mo yun dito ah.
Yo. Go, G.
Pwede ba close up?
May close out, nakita yung mga pores ko eh.
Open pores. Okay, sige.
Hindi, dapat, wait, tanggalin natin.
Hayden?
Oh.
May Hayden ba ko? O, puti na lang.
Nabais pa ng congratulations.
Conjualations.
Knock-notch. Laki, paano magkakasya yung iba pang verb?
With smile in his face while writing. With Joy Lee. Parang with Joy Lee.
Hindi naman ganun.
Okay. Sige, basahin mo.
Message.
Binabati ko nga pala yung mga tao dyan sa GMA. My family, my sister, my brother.
Wow!
And
TFC subscribers.
all those Tipsy subscribers.
We will have a
I'm here
concert
in
there.
Wawawi!
Asan si Willie?
Wawawi! Hi Chris, congrats and happy graduation day.
Taas
Just
mo.
read my message. Hello.
Kulang pa.
Kulang pa.
Dagdag. Meron ka pa. Yung para kay Francis, ikaw na lang din
Oo.
magsabi.
In behalf.
In behalf of Francis.
In behalf of Francis, congrats din daw.
Sige lang.
Ako na, okay naman. Tapos na yan.